I'm about to do an Easter ham. I have some pineapple juice and I gotta wash my hand. Wait for it. All right. For all my Jewish and Muslim viewers who want to learn how to cook pork, I always overcook my pork. We did some Dole, 100% pineapple juice. I'm not gonna lie to you, Dole. Don't like the taste of the can. I don't think I'm the only one that complained about the can taste from the pineapple juice. Pineapple juice absorbs the can taste. And then I have a shank portion of ham. Wait for it. And there it is. 2-inch sections all the way down to the bone. That is a perfectly cut pork shank. Now we're going to take that and stick it in the juice. Oh, we made a mess. I'm sorry. That's all you could do. You make a mistake, I'm sorry. Kiss it up to God or get a sponge and clean it up. So wait for it. And there you go for all my Jewish and Muslim friends or viewers. This is how I do ham. It'll be in the oven for definitely more than half a day, for a little bit more than 300. But we're going to put a lid on it. We want to keep it nice and moist. We don't want to dry it out. Although the top part will dry out if I cook it like this. I put that on, the whole thing will stay moist. There's still skin on there. I don't eat the skin. I throw it out or pass it along. So there you go. That's for all my Jewish and Muslim friends on Easter Passover weekend. Delicious. There's more than one Jew. There's more than one Muslim enjoys bacon or ham. So stop. They bred out trichinosis. In religion, don't eat pork because it's an unclean animal and it gives you trichinosis. You're going to yummy, eat it, love it. Delicious. I can't wait for tomorrow. That's my Easter ham.